let's continue with the daing na bangus. Now, I'm going to prepare this garlic. Main ingredient here is, of course, the fish and the garlic. So, let's chop that. Ayaw, pila kong tiikan nila, yun. We'll use this for tinulang bangus. May sarang, para may sabaw naman tayo. Ano ulit? Hindi ba yung kumagdibong ko? Di naman ba? Gusto ko kunin yung magdibong, kaya lang parang wala ng time lapse. I need to soak this at least 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so I'll wash this first. Now, mag-chop ako ng garlic after that. Wash and I need plenty of garlic para masarap. And I will put peppercorn, and then vinegar, of course salt, kunting soy sauce, so I'll finish this up. I will chop them into small pieces. Then I'll show you after this. Put them in the fish with the vinegar, soy sauce, salt, and you can also put chili sauce, something spicy. Depende na yan sa inyo. Ano yung gusto nyong lasa. So, I wanted to try this kasi nakita namin sa YouTube. Cut this one. And then, higahin. And then, it's medyo faster. Vinegar, soy sauce, peppercorn, chop sana po ng tibo. Hindi ng tibo. Hindi siya kaluso. Wala na kay marker dito. Ano lagay yung peso? We have raw salt. Raw ito guys. Naman na, baka naman maalat na masyado. Okay. I'll mix. My hands are clean, of course. Matay niya kung panggawa. Because of the vinegar. Look, oh. Daming garlic. So, I will soak this at least 2 to 3 hours and then fry it. Yung ulo ba yun sa Tagalog? I will make it into sabaw with malunggay. Pero yung malunggay mataas na masyado. Tingnan natin kung maabot pa namin. Kasi yung sa in front of the house, pinutol. Matagal pa yan magtubo. Ayan. Okay na. See? Lipat na to. Two to 3 hours. Okay. Just leave it there. Yung onion. This is for the soup. Yung sa ulo. This one is lemongrass, ginger, and tomatoes. So now it's ready. Ito naman yung ulo ng bangus. So I can make use of this as soup. Now I'm ready to boil this one, the water, so that naka-start na ako pagluto ng sabaw na ulo ng bangus. Unahin ko muna ang sabaw ng ulo ng bangus. Now I'm boiling water. There's ginger, blood, tomatoes, so we'll just let that boil. It's after yung isda ng ulo ng isda. Over. Yan ang ulo. Now ready. Ito naman yung soak na yung daing na bangus. Soak na yan for mga 2 hours pa. So after the sabaw, ito ang i-fry ko. So add ko ang isda. Diba? May sabaw na kami. So cover. Malunggay is ready. Lagyan natin ng asin. Takpan ulit. Check natin, guys. It's almost done. So after that, lalagay ko na yung malunggay. Ayan na ang malunggay. Let's cover it. Hindi pwedeng overcook. So I'll put that off now. So sunod ko na ang daing na bangus. Ano nang day ba? Hindi man na. Ano yung pepper ba? Corn. Dami man na siya. Wala na.
Wala gyapon.
Go. Hindi lang kayo istalsik.
Pagtalsik sa kamot na ano yung cover.
Hala. It looks good. Mamaya na yung isa. Plastic pa.